step into a world where time slows to the rhythm of a blooming rose. Within this manicured sanctuary, the midday sun illuminates every velvet petal and polished stone with crystal clarity. We shall wander together through a seasonal masterpiece, where the purple wisteria and royal roses stand in pristine splendor, inviting us to linger in the quiet beauty of a perfect cottage afternoon. Pausing at a distance, the gaze travels across the lawn to find a vision of pure domestic grace. The chiffon-painted oak dining table stands as a silent invitation to gather, its pale surface gleaming under the high midday sun. Every corner of the wood is impeccably clean, reflecting the bright clarity of a summer noon. From this vantage point, one can see how perfectly it anchors the surrounding greenery. It is a stationary monument to the peaceful, unhurried life found deep within the garden. Kneeling down on the garden floor, the cool touch of the smooth river rock gutter provides a grounding sense of calm. Each stone has been washed to a shine, nestled tightly together to guide the occasional spring shower away from the blooms. Looking closely at the ground level, the high sun reveals the intricate grays and whites of the mineral surfaces. The textures here are as deliberate and beautiful as the flowers above. It is a humble yet essential detail of this meticulously kept cottage corner. Wandering slowly toward the edge of the terrace, the gentle movement of air brings a soft, metallic song to the ears. The hammered copper wind bell hangs perfectly still for a moment before catching a stray breeze. Walking past, one might reach out a fingertip to feel the warmth the midday sun has pressed into the metal. The copper glow contrasts beautifully against the deep green of the nearby foliage. Every chime feels like a heartbeat for this living, breathing botanical haven. toward the texture of the boundary, the eye is drawn to the magnificent architectural wisteria column. The heavy purple racemes hang in disciplined clusters, their scent thick and honey-sweet in the midday warmth. Focusing closely on the twisted trunk, one can see the strength required to hold such delicate floral beauty. The high-clarity light captures every vein in the leaves and every fold in the petals. It is a masterpiece of natural design, sculpted to perfection by the gardener's hand. Looking across the open space from the garden's edge, the eggshell timber pergola creates a frame of elegant white against the blue sky. Its beams are straight and true, supporting a canopy of vines that cast sharp, clean shadows on the ground below. From afar, the structure looks like a lacework pavilion designed for midday dreams. The light emphasizes the pristine, pressure-washed finish of the wood. It stands as a gateway between the open sun and the cool floral shade. Lowering oneself to appreciate the smaller blooms near the base, the white marble urn pedestal offers a striking contrast to the lush grass. Tracing the smooth, cool surface of the stone, one feels the luxury of a garden that is loved and cared for with the highest devotion. At this low angle, the pedestal feels like a grand monument to the season's growth. The midday sun makes the marble appear almost translucent at the edges. It is a clean, bright anchor for the vibrant life surrounding it. Drifting past the seating area, the eyes rest upon the embroidered linen throw cushion resting on a chair, the intricate floral patterns on the fabric mirror, the royal roses blooming just a few feet away. Walking by, the narrator's sleeve might brush against the soft, sun-warmed textile. The midday light highlights the craftsmanship of every stitch and the crispness of the linen. It is the very essence of cottage comfort, waiting for a moment of quiet reflection. The gaze rests upon the manicured boxwood hedge line, observing the incredible precision of its shape. Each leaf is clipped to perfection, creating a solid wall of vibrant, healthy green that defines the sanctuary's edge. Leaning slightly toward the dense foliage, the narrator can smell the fresh, earthy scent of the well-tended shrubbery. There is not a single branch out of place, ensuring a look of absolute order and peace. It provides a quiet green backdrop that allows the royal roses to truly shine. Pausing at the far end of the garden, one looks back toward the house across the hand-laid granite cobblestone threshold. The stones form a beautiful, textured tapestry that leads the eye toward the heart of the cottage. From this distance, the midday light makes the granite sparkle with flecks of mica and quartz. The path is clear and inviting, free of any debris, representing the start of a beautiful journey. It is a sturdy, handsome foundation for the garden's delicate floral displays. toward the center of the garden. The journey concludes where the scent is sweetest. Kneeling on the cool stone, one observes the royal roses in their midday glory, their petals like velvet under the high sun. This garden is a testament to beauty, order, and the soft joy of a life lived among flowers. The textures of the wood, the strength of the stone, and the delicacy of the wisteria all harmonize in this one perfect corner. May you find your heart's ease here, and stay to rest in this garden forever.